everyone and welcome back to GobbledyCook. Today's recipe is Begun Bhaja or Brinjal fry or Aubergine fry. A simple vegetarian dish, but do not underestimate it, my friends, because this can give non-vegetarian dishes like the murgir jhol or the kosha mangsho tough competition. But more on that on the other side of the music. If you're a Bengali, then Begun Bhaja really needs no introduction. Crispy on the outside, creamy and soft on the inside. This is not a dish, guys. This is a Bengali's eternal love affair. A Bengali will find room for Begun Bhaja in any meal and on any occasion. So we could have it as part of our lunch with dal, or we could be having it for dinner with our luchi, but we also do not want to miss it on any important occasions such as weddings. And if we are going to a Bengali restaurant to have food, guess what? There's a very good chance that we'll be ordering Begun Bhaja. So the recipe that I'll share with you today, I'm going to show you how you can get that, that crispy, charred texture while it is soft and smooth inside. So without me talking any more about this, let's get cooking.